prostate, doing a thulium fiber laser, it will be little more time consuming in comparison to, and to convert from CURP to laser enucleation. For him, thulium fiber laser will be much easier because it has a very machine, but still if the prostate size is more than 100 gram, I have a little inclination. Required, but because you see that in holmium laser the penetration is 0.4 mm.